Girls, come on. It's raining like cats and dogs. Okay, Mommy, we're coming. So let me just put this umbrella right there. So, sorry, in the last video, I forgot to mention their names. And this is Maddie and this is Mia. So, yeah. And I checked the views of the last video of like another Tokoboco video that I did. It blew up instantly. Like, this is such an easy video to record. And you guys like blew it up. But then when I post those MM2 videos that I actually like edited it got like no views. Like, what? But it's okay. It's okay. I'm not blaming you guys. I just think it's like so funny that like how did some video that I edited doesn't get any views, but some video that I don't edit gets like a lot of views. So yeah. Okay, kids, you guys go do your homework. Let me go check your lunch boxes. Okay, Mommy. Yeah, okay, Mommy. Let's do our homework. I guess so. Okay, let me check their lunch boxes. Empty, that's good. And Maddie's empty too. And let me just go put my bag here. And I'm going to change it to this comfy outfit. Then I think I'm going to like shower. Like after when they after when like the girls finish like their homework. Girls, are you done with your homework yet? Yeah, Mom. Yeah, Mom. You guys go shower, okay? I'll go shower with you guys too. Showering is fun. Oh, okay. Okay, let me just go grab my diapers. And grab mine too. Mommy, we're ready. Okay. And Maddie, you get out of the kitchen. Okay. Okay, then let's go. Let me just put on the water. Then I quickly shower. Add some shampoo and some this thing. Some body wash. This. Okay guys, I think we're done. Let me just go take a towel and like dry you guys like off. Okay, let's go. Wait, what do you guys want to eat? Can we have a shawarma? Guys, spoiler alert, the next video is going to be a collab with Poop Puppy, and we're going to play Scary Shawarma. So, yeah, let's go. But I don't think it's the next video, because the next video, I post like a lot. So yeah, I post like a lot. So I don't think like the next video is going to be the Scary Shawarma video. But maybe the next video is going to be the Scary Shawarma video. Just I promise you guys we're going to like collab and we'll make a Scary Shawarma video together. But go check out her channel, and she posted like a video of like us playing keys, and it was so fun. So, kids, you can play on your iPads and there's like Nintendo Switch. Well, I go like order food because I'm too lazy to make any. Let me just go order shawarma. Like ordering, I'm ordering it. Okay, we'll need this tortillas. And so okay, let me just go put them there. Kids, the shawarmas are ready. Oh, okay, Mom, we're coming. Good. Okay, let me just go to, and let me go eat this thing. Oh, it's actually so good. Yeah, Mom, it's actually so good. But, girls, you have to sleep since tomorrow you guys have school. You guys brush your teeth, okay? Okay, fine. Okay, like after Monday they finish brushing their teeth. Okay, Mommy, we're ready to sleep. Okay. So then I'm actually going to do like some of my skincare. So let me go put some pimple patches and take my phone down. And I'm going to like put on my pajamas, which is like very, very comfortable. Yeah, it's very, very comfortable. And let's watch K-drama. Yay. Bye, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to like and subscribe.